Let me save you a couple dollars by showing you how to do this easy retwist on your son, nephew, or whoever.
A head nod. A thumbs up. That's all I need is a little bit of, hey y'all, it's been a minute. It's been a while. Time for the retwist. You really came outside with this wet hair, huh? Like,
Okay, so first I'm just going to start by separating the hair a little bit and getting down to the first row on the bottom. My nephew's retwist is pretty easy because he has the cut going all the way around the side, so just the locks on top. So he has 3 rows on each side. So I'm just going to go down to this first row, and the first thing you want to do is go in and clean up the part. You can use a comb, a edge brush comb, whatever you have to use. And I'm using Shining Gem. I do like the orange jar. It has a nice hold to it, but the yellow one is fine. This is just the one I had today. So you want to go in and clean up that part. That's going to make it look real neat and real nice. Get it all clean and stuff. And I'm just going to go in here and rub jam down the whole thing. And then I'm going to go separate each lock. And again, you want to clean those parts up because that's what's going to make it look really neat. So sometimes using the little edge brush comb is easy because it's small. So I just rub some jam across the top, and I'm just simply rolling the whole lock, just twisting the whole lock. This is a very easy way to do it. And you can palm roll the bottoms if you like. Just rub a little jam in your hand. And I did that little twirl just so I can hold it. That is like optional if you don't have any clips. So you can always just take some small lock clips and just clip the top so you can hold it still, like hold it in place until it dries. But if you don't have any clips, you can just roll it around like I just did, and that will hold it also. As you can see, I'm just simply just twisting it around. And that's going to give us a nice, neat, tight look at the top of the lock. So after I started, you could see him mumbling, "Can you give me some 2-strand twists?" So I am going to 2-strand twist these, which is simply just taking 2 locks and twisting them together and securing the bottom with a rubber band. Here I'm using the comb. You just want to comb that root out so it's neat, and you can just twist it. You want to make sure they're all twisted in the same direction. But if they're already started, then they should be anyway. But when you do the retwist, you just want to make sure you're twisting them all in the same direction. And here I'm grabbing a clip just so I can show you. This is the other option, to just clip it off. And you'll leave the clips on there until it's dry. So you can either use a blow dryer, or if you have a hood dryer, they can go under the hood dryer after you're done. Either way is fine. Or if you have neither one, just let them air dry. So here I am taking 2 locks together and just 2-strand twisting it. The first one is actually a little shorter than the other one. So I'm going to just make sure I secure the bottom where it doesn't come loose. So the rubber band is going on there, but it's not going all the way to the tip. Okay, so here I am showing you again. I'm just putting a little jam on there to clean up the part. And sometimes you get those little strands in there that's stuck that you got to kind of pull apart or snag. Take the comb and comb through the root so it's smooth. And then just use your fingers to just twist it in the direction that the lock is going. And roll it. And you can palm roll the ends if you want, or if they need to, if they're extra frizzy, just like rub some jam in your hands and roll the bottoms. So here I'm doing 2 at a time. I'm just going to 2-strand twist it as I go along. Some people will retwist the whole head first and then go back and do the 2-strand twist, but that takes a little bit longer. Plus 2-strand twisting it will keep the roots tight, so you don't even have to keep the clips on there or anything. Once you 2-strand twist it and put that rubber band on there, it's secure. And I actually think this makes them look neat longer when you do the 2-strand twists. Okay, so these are the last 2 on this side. And again, I'm rubbing jam on it, clean my part up, and comb the root through so it's neat and smoothed out. Just use your fingers to twist it. Twist the whole thing around, clip it off, and you're done. So, 2025, we retwisting our own kids, nephews, husbands, boyfriends, whatever. Save us a couple dollars sometimes, okay? Because doing a retwist is pretty easy, especially if it's already set and done. That means you already have the base there. You got the sections, the parts. All you got to do is clean it up, smooth it out, twist it around, and you're good. Don't drop that. Don't. Hey, that's what you're whistling? He's so childish. Yes, it is. He was like, I can't whistle that. He was doing that beat. So here's the finished look. I actually didn't even put him under the dryer or blow dry it. This is just when I finished retwisting it. This is my nephew, so actually he on his own with the drying part. I told him to grab the blow dryer and hit that stuff himself. Now don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. And as always, thanks for watching.